Good morning, friends. Today is a gorgeous sunny day, and we are going to tackle the upstairs toilet. It's very exciting because it's just not, it's usable, but like barely. It's not very pleasant. So I'm very excited to get started on renovating this toilet and making it a nicer space. There are going to be eventually 3 fully functional bathrooms in this house, but at the moment, the other 2 are downstairs, and my goal is to really like start upstairs and work my way down kind of with everything. So we're going to start with this upstairs toilet because it is the smallest one and therefore hopefully the easiest. And also because if I can just blaze through the things. Oh, a bumblebee. Can you see him? He's camera shy. What was I talking about? Yeah, oh, he's come inside. Okay, I should probably deal with that, and then we're going to start working on the bathroom. There are several places in the house that have this weird, like, it looks like tile, but it's actually just one big plastic sheet. And it's just screwed into the walls, and it's all in this bathroom, and it's all in the little kitchen downstairs. So we're going to remove this, hopefully. And I've got helper number 1, who's very, very happy to be on the camera right now and just woke up from a long nap. This is my dad. And he is the official tool buyer. I'll show you all the tools that he has bought so far. And I feel like he's going to end up with a lot more tools than this. He likes a tool shopping trip. So we are now going to attempt to remove these plastic sheets, and God knows what is under them, and also this fabric that's on top of them. I'm a little bit scared. It's dark in here. I mean, if it's this easy, that's going to be not bad at all. But I'm really worried about what's underneath this on the wall. All right.
It's going to come in all in one place.
What's back there?
Well, there's some pieces of wood, and something is still holding it. Let's see what. Let me grab my flashlight.
It looked like it was going to be so easy just to lift it out.
Well, that's the way everything is when you're working on stuff. There's no such a thing as easy. Where's my flashlight?
To be honest though, those blocks look a lot better than what I was expecting. I was expecting like horrific spidery awfulness. And this is at least like sort of one reasonably okay surface.
Piece of wood on there. Is it okay?
Oh, we can destroy that. We can destroy that. Yeah.
Let me pull. What
We
about
are
that
not.
piece of trim down there? Same story.
Yeah, I guess
really
so.
not break it if I can help
It'd be better to keep if possible.
What have they done?
There were some very interesting construction and design choices made for this house at some point.
I don't understand why that thing is so stacked.
Hey! Good job. Ugh.
I want to vacuum up there. Look at here. They did a good job. Look, they had put a little piece there to help hold it. So that's why I was doing this.
I mean, it did its job. Okay. Rip it up.
Now we're going to have to take this off this piece here off, because they put this under that wood right there.
God, it's like a Rubik's Cube. Okay. We're gonna cut it. All right. So I want to leave the shelf if we can.
All right, let's secure
But I want to take down everything else, all the
This
curtains.
doesn't need to come. Wait a minute, hang on. Here.
What's that?
Before it falls on my head.
It's an iron. Because why not?
Just pull hard.
Just pull hard. Ah! Ah!
Oh, spiders.
Ah!
No, no spiders.
There's a hole back there.
Mm-hmm.
And all that rocks have fallen out of it.
I think so.
Ugh. That's not what I want to find back here. No holes. And then we got to get that linoleum out. It's much bigger feeling in here.
Much better. Yeah, this is a nice little bathroom.
Nice size little bathroom.
All right, now let's figure out how to get this bottom out of here. All right, how many tacks are down here for me to sit on? There's
A lot.
Here.
Many tacks.
Before I sit down, I want to get them up. Because I got enough problems already. I've got holes in my rear.
See what the floor looks like under there as well.
Leave it for now.
Oh, it's still a nice wood floor. It just needs sanding and varnishing. That's good. The plumber has arrived. So today he's going to install the new toilet. We're replacing that toilet and putting it on the far side of that room. So the little like nook back there. So the toilet's not right next to the door. I'm not sure why it was right next to the door to begin with. And also facing the door, like that's so strange. Why? Who made that choice? And then he's also gonna add a toilet in the downstairs, what was like a mini kitchen. It's like sort of a little hallway room that was a mini kitchen, but it's now gonna be a second bathroom. Yes, I'm very, very excited for this to be happening. We also have the electrician here today who is going to fix things like that. He keeps looking at things with like a horrified look in his eye, which is not a good sign. But after he finishes, he's going to rip out literally all of the electrical systems and wiring and stuff in here and replace them all with new up-to-code stuff. Here is the little upstairs bathroom. It looks so different than it did when I came here. I'm so happy about that. I mean, I'm not going to say better because, you know, you can see, but different things are happening. And most importantly, this toilet has been moved into the nook of the bathroom. Anyway, the projects that need to be done in this bathroom are to cover this brick wall with some sort of board something and paint or wallpaper that, to cover these concrete walls and get them painted and or wallpapered, and to refinish the floor. And I'd like to get these pipes covered by something like a little wood encasing something, just so they're not out in the middle of the bathroom, because they're not that pretty. Anyway, I did buy one roll of wallpaper that's a beautiful like floral wallpaper, and I don't know where I want to put it, but I bought one roll so I can take it around and look at it in different rooms, and this is definitely a candidate to be put into this little bathroom here. I'm obsessed with wallpaper. It's not good. It's running a close second to my obsession with chandeliers, and I've already bought 7 chandeliers for this house. Hello, it's editing me. Funny story. A snake broke my phone. There will be a video explaining that a bit more later, but there's going to be a slight jump in the progress of the upstairs toilet because a snake broke my phone and a lot of videos were lost, including some middle of the works kind of videos for the upstairs toilet. A bee just flew past my head. Why are there so many bees at this window? The gist of what I'm trying to say to you now is that snake broke phone, videos got lost. Here comes a jump in the progress of the bathroom. It's the toilet video, part 2. I never thought I'd use the words toilet video this much. Anyway, I hope there's not like an algorithm that's gonna bring, let's say, unsavory searches here. Anyway, a lot of work has been done in the toilet, and it is time for a grand reveal. I'm gonna say it's 90% done because there are some little bits and bobs that have not been done yet, but most of the toilet has been finished, and so here it is. As you can see, I decided to go with the jungle wallpaper in here, and I love it. It looks a little darker on the video than it does in real life, but I am super happy with it. I think it's gorgeous, and it makes it feel like an interesting room and not just a small space. I think we're gonna keep the light in here, the original light that was in here. I think it's a little flower. Let's see if you can see it better if I turn off the light. Oh yeah, you can see that. It's a little flower. So I think that fits with the theme. The ceiling has been painted off-white. I also put up this trim all by myself. I am absurdly proud of it. I know it's not perfect, but I feel damn good about that. Look at that trim. I am gonna fill in, once I can go buy some putty in town, that little gap where I didn't really know how to cut the boards so they fit together. But we're gonna putty over that and make it some kind of little decorative thing. So it's gonna be fine. And I also sanded, stained, and varnished the floor, which looks gorge also. The one major project we have left to do in the bathroom is to cover this bit of plumbing, which someone who has woodworking skills, or maybe me after I develop some skills, is going to build a wood sort of shelf just to cover that up and hide it from view. I might also add a sink at some point. I've got this little meuble, this little furniture bit that we just kind of stuck in here for the moment, but I actually quite like it in here. I think it works really well. So maybe there's a way to like cut a hole in the top of that and add a sink, or some sort of sink situation might eventually happen. Although there is a sink just on the other side of the room. This is the current sink situation, which is a mess because we've been working in here, but it's the non-functional shower. And well, I say shower. What I really mean is like 4 boards nailed to the wall and a shower hose. It's not ideal. We're going to replace that. This is the sink. We're also going to replace that, and we're going to replace the mirror. We're going to replace everything in here. So this is the next project. The next project is redoing the shower room so that there will be a shower in this house. Anyway, that is the grand reveal of the toilet. Let's go back over there just so you can see how beautiful it is again. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. I love this wallpaper. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there because the toilet is as done as it's going to be for now. We're going to leave this pipe visible until the plumbing gets all resituated because there'd be no point trying to cover it at the moment. So yeah, that's the finished product for the time being. You can hear the tools being put away. I should probably go help with that. But before I do, I'll just remind you to please do subscribe to my channel because it's super helpful, you guys. It really makes a difference. It is free. It is easy. There's a little button on the bottom that you can use to subscribe. You can also like this video, which is also super helpful. Just please do those things. It's very great. So with that, I will leave you and I will see you guys next time.